want to buy a laptop under 60,000 rupees, like what are the laptops out there that you can buy right now? So I have cut down the list to the top 3, and these are the top 3 that you should buy. And these are the entry level gaming laptops, and obviously games are every person's need nowadays. So if you are into games, you should also buy these laptops under 60,000 if your budget is 60,000. So let's go. So the first laptop is the Asus TUF A15. It is one of the entry level gaming laptop. As I mentioned, it is having AMD Ryzen 5 in it, which is really good for entry level games, and that won't properly, you won't be able to play like you can play in 80,000 rupees laptop, but you will be able to play the game smoothly, and there won't be much of lag in it. But you have to face, if you added 8K videos in it, then you have to face some issues. Don't edit 8K videos in it. After that, you are getting the GTX 1650 graphics card under this, which is also amazing. You are getting a graphic card which you can play the games on it, and that's the graphics card you're getting. You're getting 8 GB of RAM, 500 GB of SSD storage you are getting in this laptop, which is again really good. And considering that it is come under 60,000 rupees, obviously you're not getting HDD plus SSD. That's not the case, but you are still getting a fairly fair deal for it. Yeah. So moving on to the next one. So next laptop is the Asus F15, which is again an amazing laptop. It is an entry level gaming laptop, so it is having the Intel iCore i5, and which you are getting in the laptop, and it is a 10th generation processor. You will be able to play all the games in it smoothly, and you can play more better than the previous laptop in this laptop. So yeah, for the games and for editing purpose, this is good. Under 60,000 rupees, you're also getting the GTX 1650. This is the common graphic card that comes under this price range. So I have also considered every laptop that I have taken out should have at least graphic cards in it. So I have turned down all the laptops that are not having the graphic cards. Anyways, it is having 8 GB of RAM, plus you are getting 512 GB of storage, SSD storage in this laptop. No HDD is provided, but SSD is there. That's also a good thing. So yeah, you have to externally put the hard disk if you want more storage. So but yeah, on and on laptop is really good. That's why I picked this. Moving on to the third laptop that you should buy, and that's the first choice for you. Let's move on to that. So the next laptop is one of the first pick under 60,000 rupees, because it is one of the laptops that are rare in 60,000. It is one of those, and this is the top pick. It is the Acer Aspire 5 Gaming. So this laptop is basically amazing laptop. First of all, because you are getting the Intel iCore i5, which is an 12th generation processor, which already smashes the previous two processor as well as the previous two laptop, and yeah, it surpassed them. And after that, you are getting the GTX RTX 2050 under this, which is again really amazing, which already smashes the other two graphics card. And yeah, moving on, you're getting 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, SSD storage. And that's all about the laptop. Windows 11 will be provided in all the laptops I have told you. So yeah, that's all 3 picks that I have taken out and that you should buy under 60,000 rupees. And these you can say the budget oriented laptops, the 3 picks only. These are my 3 picks, and if you want to buy the best under this, you should obviously go for the Acer Aspire 5 Gaming, because it will not disappoint you. Obviously other two will also not disappoint you, but it is far better than those two. So if you consider this, yeah, you will be better not regretting it afterwards. So yeah, thanks guys, thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, like the video, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. See you in the next one.